Guys, welcome to my channel Electronic Secret. I will show you today how to fix Wisdom Smart Share Cloud TV inverted picture, mirror picture, flipped picture solution. So viewers, subscribe my channel if you don't subscribed it yet. Hit the bell notification. Also like the video. Coming to the video, viewers. First of all, I will tell you 3 or 4 codes. Whichever codes works for you, comment me in the comment section, because it have 3 or 4 codes that will work. So we will try them one by one. The first code is, we will press source plus 2580 from your remote. Source 2580. Will this work? No viewers, this code won't work here. Now we will try the next code. Next code is, viewers, menu plus 2580. Again this code have not worked. So the last code is, viewers, we are trying here is menu plus 1147. This will definitely work, viewers, if the other 2 codes haven't worked. Here you can see that our factory menu is open. Go to the general settings, that is on the 6th number. But here we can't find the mirror or flipped pictures option. Now we will go to the panel settings. Viewers, here you can see that there is option of mirror. You can try left or right key from the remote to get it back to original position. You can see that it is now in normal position. Mirror is in normal position. This setting is in viewers panel setting. First of all, you will open the factory menu from the code menu plus 1147, then go to the panel setting, then mirror, turn it to normal. This is the video for today, viewers. Like it and share it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.